Mohammed Hijab just confirmed what Musab Hassan has always been saying about Islam.
I promise you that Islam is not good news.
Avery, popularly known as GodLogic, joined Mohammed Hijab's online debate, which was a challenge Hijab put out to non-Muslims to refute him on Islam. Before the debate, GodLogic asked Hijab if he could record, and Hijab agreed and said he would not claim copyright infringement.
Is it okay that I record this and put it on my channel? Just want to get a verbal confirmation.
Well, I mean, look, you can go live right now. I mean, I haven't got any issues with that myself. You can go live right now. I mean, I haven't got any issues with that myself. I thought you were live already.
Yeah, I'm recording right now, so I'm just making sure I can
go live. Go live so that your people can see what's happening right now.
I just want a verbal confirmation you're not going to copyright strike me.
No.
In this, we see that GodLogic's intent was clear from the beginning, that was to record for later use. You then realize that Hijab intentionally gave an ambiguous response, despite GodLogic's intent being made clear. Hijab later filed for infringement after losing the debate. Hijab's intent was to deceive. Well, we are not surprised. The Quran says, Allah is the best of deceivers. As bad as it sounds, I love it when the enemy is clumsy and misbehaves on the global stage. All I can say is, congratulations, you played yourself. These are the same people who say you should trust them with your eternity. This behavior is typical of people who hate critics. Perhaps that is why there are blasphemy laws that get people executed for being critical of their ideologies and their leader. We saw this behavior again with the popular Muslim Yasir Qadhi, when he accidentally exposed this about Islamic scholarly work.
Cannot answer some of these pressing questions that are now being poked. And it's very clear to you and to every single very advanced student and specialist that the standard narrative has holes in it. That's what I'm going to say.
After saying this, he started filing copyright infringement claims against all channels that were critical of his statement. Speaking of the video, this was the same one that Yasser recorded with, yes, you guessed it, none other than Mohammed Hijab. Trust these people at your own peril. There is no honor among these people. Woe unto him who puts his faith in another man. Trust Jesus, and he will not lead you astray.